I'm Joe Butano.
I'm Olesia.
We are the owners of Olesia's Taverne of Richfield.
Olesia's Taverne of Richfield on the occasion of its grand reopening and its new occasion.
I want to say thank you to all my staff. It's been great. And I'm so honored to be here, and I'm so happy to be here.
The best part about bringing people through here is they don't know what to expect, and it's like doing a magic trick for somebody, and just seeing their eyes just explode or glow with excitement. So I hope that never wears off when I'm showing people the place.
I want them to come in and experience the beauty of this place, and I want them to become a part of family, because that means a lot.